Welcome to my studio. In this video I'm going to be showing you my setup and room and breaking everything down. This is my TV. Moving on to a lot cooler of a spot is my closet. This is where I keep all my clothes, and I got a bunch of miscellaneous tech in here. A few months ago I decided to take off the doors on this and put an LED strip in here and make it kind of a staple in here. I don't like looking at it every single day now, so I might add back on those doors. Not really sure yet. Down here on the floor is my computer. I kind of just use it for anything and just as a backup computer if I ever need. The next thing are my nano leaves. These things are, you know, okay. They kind of suck at sticking to the wall, and that's where they're supposed to stick to. So I constantly always have to press them in because the adhesive on them are horrible. And I'm using Gorilla Tape, which rips my wall. Moving on to my shelf. I got a fake plant that I stole out of my bathroom. Actually looks really good right here. Little touch of greenery in the room. And then this is my Ghost collection. It's every single flavor I've tried of Ghost. Ghost is actually pretty good. So Ghost, if you're seeing this, sponsor me. I'm dead serious. Work with me, Ghost. And then I got their competitor right next to them, and it's 2 tubs of G Fuel. Moving on to my top shelf, I have 6 G Fuel tubs up here. And then I got this pretty cool globe that I found in my basement. It's like black and it actually looks really sick, and it's like a minimal kind of thing you can just put up there and it fills the space really nice. And then today I decided to pull up a wooden hand. I used to have it on my setup. It's cool to add this kind of back. I don't know, it's not really in the best spot right now, but it kind of works. And then moving on to my bed. This is a queen size bed. I sleep on here every night. I do spend a little too much time here, and I'd rather spend my time making more videos. And now to the part of the video that's actually really cool. Okay, I am sitting at my editing setup, and honestly, I love it. In previous setups, I've always had a lot of stuff on my desk, but this one, I went for a lot more simple look. I got this fan here, it keeps me cool, and it does its job. Then moving on to my monitor, a 60 Hz HP monitor that can't be mounted, and I paid $150. But that was also during peak quarantine, and I was stupid because you can get a 240 Hz monitor for $150. And this is all hooked up to my M2 MacBook Air. I use this thing on the daily, and I have had no issues whatsoever with it. It's fast, it's reliable, and count on it to get my videos out in time. Moving on to my peripherals. I have a Gutsy 8-in mousepad, a SteelSeries mouse, and a Walmart keyboard. Now, all of these aren't expensive. This is why this is the editing setup. So let's go into the main setup. My gaming setup. I just said setup 500 times. So as we move over, you're greeted by my $1,000 PC that I never use. Yeah, that's right, I never use this thing. Then moving on, I have a boom arm and mic that goes to my PC. I never use that either. Then we go into my monitors. I have a 144 Hz Acer monitor hooked up to my Xbox Series S. Oh, and that top monitor, I got that thing for $3. Now, it is one of the worst monitors I've ever seen. It's a brick, but it turns on still, so good enough for me. And under these monitors is my first home run ball. Yeah, that's right, I actually touch grass in the summer. I play baseball for my high school and for American Legion. It's always been a big part in my life, and it's truly been a blessing in disguise in making friends. I've always dealt with foot problems, and hitting this home run really meant a lot to me. It was showing that I can overcome something that I thought would stay with me the rest of my life and impact me in a way no longer able to play baseball. But I proved to myself that I can push through anything no matter how much it hurts. So yeah, this is very meaningful to me. But we still have stuff in my setup. Next we have my camera mount, which is not good at all. Like, I'm dead serious. Whenever I put my camera up here, the screen turns black so I can't see myself. And then when I do get it on here, it is a pain in the butt to get off because it's right next to the wall. So, if anyone knows how to fix that, please let me know. And moving on to my peripherals in my setup, I have this Astro A20 headset. It's worked good for years. It's one of my go-to brands for just a headset that is reliable, pretty decently affordable, and is comfortable. Next, we are going to my Sermon keyboard. I got it on Amazon because I was playing Valorant and I was sick of my Walmart keyboard. And this is what it sounds like. And And holding up both of these setups is, well, 2 different desks. For my editing setup, it is a $10 table I got off of Facebook Marketplace, but originally it was a $50 table from IKEA. And then moving on to my gaming setup, I have 2 off-brand Alex drawers that are collapsing, so I really need to fix those. And then I just have a wood top from Menards. This is basically it, and it's pretty cool to see what you can build for such a low price. Go out, create your dream room. Trust me, it's worth it. And especially if you're a YouTuber, makes for great content. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'm just gonna let myself out. See you guys.